This free tool from Google is often misused by most business owners. It's sad to see that every single day no one has their logo cropped properly, no one replies to their reviews, no one has updated photos, no one lets the public know what the hell is going on. And if you don't let them know, how do you expect anyone else to know? Yeah, there's word of mouth, but that only gets so far. Say, you ever play telephone as a kid? The word will be kite, and at the end you're getting punching bag. How does that even happen? It added a second word. That's how word of mouth works. It can work good and against you. So you need a centralized profile that is easily searchable, easily findable, and easily interactable, where people can purchase, make reservations, or visit your website for more. It is a Google business profile. I built one under 5 minutes on my YouTube channel and linked here. Click it, build one for yourself, and fully verify it, because you can lose your profile to malicious people easily. Subscribe for